like we want to spend $40 on other cooler things. And then he got pretty upset and he threw it on the ground and everything. So yeah, anyway. This is why, babe.
I know, this is our wife.
Yeah, that's the story of me. I want to show my head.
How's this for some Hipcamp host? Taking the kids around on the tractor. Mind you, I do not know what I'm doing. I'll give it a try though. Is that a hell of a hailstorm? Hey, this is Jordan.
Hey, this is Dee.
Hey, this is Gaten. Hey, this is Ava.
This is Phineas. And this is our GWM Cannon, towing our 3-ton caravan around Australia. More market hunting. Ava, what are you finding?
You can get a bag, then you can put your name on it.
Oh my goodness.
Lass mal für Visa. 1, 2, gut. And then now. This one. What? You like straight pepper? Yeah?
Ava, what did you think about that cool thing that old mate just made you?
It was so cool.
Right, it was really cool.
I should have it.
And then he sneakily put it in a frame. So this is a free demo. Then he sneakily put it in a frame and then tried to charge us $40 for it. And then, unfortunately, I didn't want to spend $40 on that because, like, we want to spend $40 on other cooler things. And then he got pretty upset and he threw it on the ground and everything. So yeah, anyway. What do you think of the markets?
It was fun. I got this. And I got this girl. This ring opens, so it's look.
Oh yeah, you did too. You got an opening cock ring. Oh, it's flying. Slow down a bit, mate. Jesus, we almost get by a train, woman.
No, that scared me a little.
All right, now you get to go on a tram. All right, so we're going to go inside. Yeah, when the door opens. Just wait. There you go. Hop inside and go and chill out. Is this better than the steam train?
It works the same. I'm going backwards.
Ah!
I thought I'd be going forwards. Hey, we can switch if you want.
Did you like the tram, Gates?
Not really.
No.
I feel like the steam train was a lot more.
I feel like we're just on a random piece of public transport. I wanted like an old trammy tram. Anyway, look where we are now. In the new trammy tram section. We're gonna cross the road, get back on the tram, get back to the car. Ava and Caden have just found the information. Like how good would this have been?
Route 58 to West Coburg is due in
7 minutes.
Route 58 to West
That's pretty
Coburg
handy.
is due
Keep
in
listening.
There's a little lady inside there.
Ready? Wait
This
for it.
service will be a low-floor tram. Route 58 to West.
Can't have a trip to the city without some sushi, hey? Oh, Danika's enjoying herself. Maybe. This is why, babe.
I know, this is our wife.
So today we've been having so much fun, but I woke up with a bunch of midi bites. And we've seen the horses just down there. Oh, and there's Lucy over there. I'll go and show you her. She's really cute. See Lucy? Say hi, Lucy. And we can also go to the horses. There's a jetty over there. I don't know where it is, but I can see it now. There's so many lily pads over there. That's like the first pond I've seen with lily pads. There's the lily pads and the boat with birds on there. And almost at the horses. Fences and electric. See, touch the fence. She even lets us go through, but the fence is only for Bella and Nessie cannot get through. Hi, Bella. It's very muddy here. Hi, here's Bella. This is Bella. She's my favourite. And here's Ava's favourite, Nessie. I always come up to these ponies. And never go to the back of them, because the back of them, they love to kick. And here is Nessie. I like her too, but my favourite one is Bella. Just to be honest. Bye. Promise? Pretty cool, huh? Spot it. There's a fire pit just over there that we haven't used. Here's the fire pit, and I think that's for your beer and stuff. I don't know. Here's a tractor, and this one that I've actually hopped on. I've hopped on this one, which is way better. That one's a bit old. They did say that you're allowed on them, so I'm gonna hop on. And you see, really cool. Well, we got our own bikes, but it's pretty nice to still have a cool bike so other people can use it. That is, and yeah, really cool stuff. Here is the other tractor that I said that was old, but I still hop onto it. Let's hop on. Oh, really cool. So, steering wheel, everything still works, they said, somehow. But here's where the rabbits and bunnies are. We did see some bunnies go over to there, but I usually saw it. And Dad. Me and Dad saw it. Yeah, that's the story of me. Yeah. Well, see ya. Hello.
Okay, Avie. You getting a haircut?
I want to show my head.
I can't do that.
Oh my god! Look back and look at that. Looks so good.
What do you mean?
It looks so good, yeah.
Can I show
Keep
bald
going.
before you?
It's like a boys' weekend. This is what we do to each other on boys' weekends. Everyone's like,
This
yeah.
is not a good shaver.
It looks good. Everything's right. Yeah, look, the shave. I use that to shave my nostril hairs.
I want to show Dad.
Yes. My legs almost broke.
Oh, you ran?
Yeah, how fast as?
Oh.
Didn't you see there was a lightning warning and it was me? Because I ran so fast. Now I'm buggered. This is the Royal Botanic Gardens at Cranbourne. And the lookout. Fig tree lookout, is it? The fig or something?
I think it's Frig.
Frig? Trig. Okay, it's a lookout. I didn't realise that the adults were going for it too. I can't help anybody. I'm too scared. I'm already ready to drown. I've already stepped in the water. Okay, so what we're doing here is in the ancient times of Australia. What? What do you mean? I was just saying one of the facts that I know. Alright, so in the ancient times of Australia, they used to have these tiles that water ran along, and you used to have to step on the tiles to try to get across. Yeah, I know. Getting out of control. This is the house we're going to buy once we get back from the trip. It's a home garden. So this is your overgrown front lawn that you have at your house, basically, yeah. Understood that. I'm hiding from Ava. Capture the moment, baby. Yo. Right through, good job, Kate. That's cute. going down a slide. They are.
What are these? What are these?
So we do a massive race, and I won, of course. No, it was actually Ava that won. So I had to come back and get the cameras. So I feel like I definitely lost. This is the weird and wonderful garden.
Oi. Oh, chicken.
Right, come on.
Good?
Yeah, hold on tight.
Well done.
Yeah, I'll cover it. Oh, Kaden, what's happening? How cool. They are, aren't they? They're huge. How's this for some Hipcamp host? Taking the kids around on the tractor. That's what we like to see. How is it? You guys are flying. Alright, so it's cold and windy and rainy and hot and sunny all in the same 1 hour. But now we've got a little bit of sun. So we're gonna hook up the Weber and get some ribs happening. They're probably going to take me about 4 hours to get cracking. But yeah, that'll be fine. This popping up. Boom. So we're going to do it at a low temperature. No one cleans their Weber, so that's fine. Keep it nice and low. Alright, doesn't matter if it's dirty because I've got the ribs all ready to glaze inside here. I am not going to touch that. I'm not going to touch that for 2 hours. Mind you, I do not know what I'm doing. I'll give it a try though. Alright.
Maybe you need a rack to bring it up.
Yeah? Off the direct heat kind of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't if I lift it any higher, it hits the lid of the Weber. I'm sort of catch 27.
27?
27.5. Catch 27.5.
Probably 33.
Alright, that is probably a catch 33. So if I lift that up, what about if you... It does smell good. What about if you hold your hand underneath it?
The whole time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how many more hours is that?
Just an hour and a half.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
And her name is a girl.
Wait, Ken, a second. What the hell is this? Look at that. It's in the Weber. I can't wait to just eat that with my mouth. Look how it's just falling apart. Okay, when I put this in the Weber, I'm sure you guys could tell I wasn't very confident.
She's a bit
Look at
stuck on
that.
the bottom, but I hope the middle of it is nice.
Look how nice that looks though. It's just like... Oh, yum! Yum!
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Mm.
Oh my god! Is that a hell of a hailstorm? Are you guys getting some snows? Look at it all.
Once we started doing it, it stopped.
Look at it. I've got heaps, look. You want some?
Oh my god.
Put your hand out, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
There you go. Throw it up in the air.
Okay. That doesn't look like snow to me.
No, it's not snow, it's hail. It was just hammering down. The camera was in the car, so you missed out on a bit of a thing. Woohoo! What is? Hey, quick, hop back under. It's coming down again.
I just ate it, Dad.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, just eat heaps of it. Ava, come back. Oh, it's freezing out here. It is literally like snowing cold out here. It is so cold.
It's actually
This is freezing. How freezing are you, Aves?
good.
Show me what you got. Oh my god, you got a snowball. Yes.
Hey, look what I got.
Look at Caden. He's got a
Then
bunch
look
of
what I
snow. He
got.
just eats it straight off the dirt. He loves it.
What's that kid eating now?
And he's just eating the snowballs.
What are you up to?
We're eating it.
Are they nice?
Just eat the whole entire thing inside of your mouth.
Oh, Danica, is that this jumper? That's your jumper for this morning. Don't lose that.
I need to go in.
This is how we dry in clothes in Melbourne at the moment. Jeez. Alright, Danica's on a morning workout. Yes, babe, get it. I'm taking the kids, we're going for a jog, aren't we? She's going to burn herself out before we even get to the end of the driveway. Huh?
Come on, Teddy. Get your feet up.
They do.
Separate.
What do you mean?
I think
Yeah, they're in a different place.
that's Elsa's baby.
Well, sometimes I gotta do that because some horses bite each other and stuff. Oh, look, he's scratching the fence.
Oh, he wants to see us.
He's doing a big stretch. Hi. Hi. Look at your beautiful hair. There's a little afro. There's your baby.
What's your current set there?
How's your hair? Look, okay, what hairstyle should we give the horsey?
You hairstyle? No, I like that hairstyle. That was so funny.
Tuck your hair behind your ears.
No, that the hair stays there so that the flies don't
Yeah,
get
I
them.
know, I was just doing a little funny thing for you. Hello. He's like, what the It's like, what the hell's wrong with you guys?
It looks like...
What are you messing my hair up? You think this is funny? Okay, I'm gonna give you a kick. You ready for your kick?
And it kicks that one in the chin.
Yep. This woman is using every single thing she can find as a piece of gym equipment. This is the Bluff, about 10 minutes away from where our Hipcamp is at the moment. The Bluff, Cannons Creek. This is all Cannons Creek. Can't camp here. No, you cannot. But we just wanted to go for a drive somewhere. Still raining, still windy, but we just wanted to go for a drive somewhere and... Well, okay, that looks pretty good. Jump off if you want. Kaden. Oh! I actually thought that was water.
I just said go over there.
Finny, you're crazy. You won't jump off, Finny, you're scared. Oh, it's probably not a ladder, but look, it's basically a ladder. Oh, I can't wait till we find one of these places to jump off, eh?
Need to go. We're going to the bluff. Look out. Bluff. I don't know why it's called that. But let's go. Found the stairs down here. Oh, pretty nice. Boats over there. And he's...
We're at Crystal World. Just a random Google find. Who's in there? Whoa.
Is that a shark or a dinosaur?
It's a massive shark dinosaur. No, it's a big dinosaur.
No, it's a shark. I can see its tail.
It is a big shark. It's got a towel on its back.
Yeah, how come it's two sharks at a time? Can we go into somewhere? These sharks within that.
Can I tell you one?
Bigger than a shark.
Can I tell you one thing about this great white shark that you're looking at here?
Yeah.
It is real.
That thing's real?
That is real, and it's been preserved.
Why did they
Alright,
have to
Google
do
Maps the place.
Look at all those crystals.
Yeah.
Imagine how
Crystal World.
And that's preserved.
crystals.
Crystals, and what over here?
I like the dinosaurs.
Yes, there you are. Hello. Look at this massive crystal behind you. What's Mookite then?
This one.
Yeah, it's made from Australia.
This is your place. Danica, this is absolutely your Edamoga pub. Come on, punk. Look, this is all, every type of crystal ever. Well, they bought them all, didn't they?
Oh my god, I want to have a look in here, but it's so stuck on the wall. Oh, that is beautiful.
Danica, are you freaking out?
Oh my god.
I just want a piece of all.
I know, you want to grab a basket of each.
I love it. This is my baby. You big bully.
Wave.
Ooh.
There you go. How come you don't have one of these views? 10 grand. Because you live in a caravan, that's the only reason.
Yeah.
Well, that's been Wildcroft campsite at Cranbourne South. Now we've been out here for about 2 weeks now, yeah. Which has been, it's been a beautiful place to stay. But now we are packing up and we are picking up Danica from the airport 'cause she's done a girls' weekend. And then we're off to Apollo Bay down the Great Ocean Road, and yeah, we're finally going. I'll see you there. Bye.